Hello everybody!
My name is Thuy and this is our group members.
Hi, I'm Quynh Hoa.
Hi, I'm Doan.
Hi, I'm Quan.
Recently, our English teacher, Miss Minh, has just assigned us a book dictionary project.
The dictionary was paper engineered by me, and the two art directors are Ngan and Thuy.
And about me, I'm responsible for the logistics job.
Soon, our product will be reviewed, and let's get to the main part.
This is the cover of our book. The cover was made rather spontaneously. We just picked some random colors and it turns out that the colors fit perfectly together.
You'll see 12 different masses carrying 12 types of animals and the water fountains, including the definitions of each. Let's get to the more detailed part. The first is amphibians. We got newts.
For each animal, we try to have the name of the animal, the pronunciation, and its definition.
We got a transition between each.
The arachnids was a spontaneous artwork too.
Yes, there's a hidden spider next to the tarantula.
And let's come to the birds.
There's a beautiful couple of swans on the lake and a pelican with 2 feet in his mouth.
And the crustacean is the next thing you want to see. Here we have 3 familiar sea creatures which have been cooked. And the echinoderm is the next creatures.
With starfish and sea cucumber.
We have some fish here too. We have 2 Nemos.
There's some anchovies gathering together. Next part is insect. You'll find an earwig and a hidden ant. Beautiful butterfly. Come to the mammals.
We have a reindeer here which is walking in the forest.
With some trees behind him. Here comes a seal sitting on the iceberg. Following with the mollusk. Squid and octopus in the seabird part of the sea.
A fancy snail losing its way in the spirit of time. Comes to the reptiles. We have some spontaneous decorations here again. The 2 tortoise and turtle are very similar creatures. That's why we decided to put it on one page.
And the beautiful cobra.
Now here's another type, which is the worms. There's no transition for that one.
The final is the sponges.
Chelina and Pheroma are the last 2 creatures which also end our dictionary book.
Well, for each pages, we decorated to fit the living habitats of each animal. For example, you can see the pelicans live near the water. The reindeer live in the forest. The seal live in the sea and some spiders' webs.
For the pop-up images, we would like to give a special thanks to Mr. Duncan Birmingham, who has provided us with useful techniques from his tutorials on YouTube, such as the V-folds, the parallelogram folds, or the floating plants. We highly recommend his YouTube channel, the pop-up channel. We hope that it would be somehow useful for you in the future.
At first, this looks like an impossible task for us, but after taking our time to learn about pop-up techniques, we were able to finish this on time. I hope you all like this product. Thank you for your concentration. Goodbye.
Bye!